Hi everyone, so to make chili bites, you'll need some big chilies like this. Okay, so take a knife and make a slit in the chili, and with the help of a spoon, take all the seeds out of the chili and make it hollow and empty from inside. Do that with all of your chilies and let them soak in cold water for 30 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to make the filling. For that you'll need half a cup of grated cheese, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of oregano, half a cup of shredded chicken, and almost 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix them all together and it's done. Now I'm going to open the slits and fill them with the filling we made. After you're done filling all the chilies, keep them in the freezer for 20 minutes. I'm going to coat the chilies now. For that I'm going to dip them in flour first, then in the egg wash. Then I'm going to coat them with some breadcrumbs. Then again the egg wash. And the final layer of breadcrumbs again. Now I'm going to coat all the chilies in this way and they are ready for frying. Fry your chilies in hot oil and they are ready to serve.